Today we'll talk about how can you enable your upgrades notifications on your app, on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on click here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Come here to your upgrades. Just click in this sign here. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean share upgrades in notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.